Hey, welcome back to John's Moto Garage. So I know that you don't usually see my face here, but I'm taking over his channel today because today is a very special day. You might not know this. You probably do not know this. I don't know why you would know this, but today is John's birthday. And I know that he doesn't really like to make birthdays a big deal, but I like to make birthdays a big deal because I think they're important and I think they're special. So we're jumping on today to wish John a very happy birthday. Make sure you leave a comment below, like this video, wish him a happy birthday. Let's make it a super special day for him. Thank you for all the support that you give us on the channel. We love it. We appreciate it so much. So make sure you leave a comment below. And the kids have a special message for you, John. Say, I love you, Daddy. I love you, Daddy. What do you love about Daddy?
He's nice and the best daddy ever.
Indy, what do you love about Daddy?
Saying happy birthday.
Jack, what do you love about Daddy?
I don't.
Can you say something?
No.
Got a lot of fun, dude?
What do you love about Daddy?
He does lots of things with us.
Like what?
He goes on bike rides with us.
Ollie, what do you love about Daddy?
Daddy leaves butts to me and he's weird.
Yeah, Ollie! Woo! Thank you for all of your support. Wish John a very happy birthday. And because this is kind of a weird birthday on quarantine, wish us luck. Wish John a happy birthday and have an awesome day yourself, and we'll catch you on the next one.